tripping, adequate, pittering, pattering. College degree, mama think that I shattered it. Really, I allocated all my energy into something that made me feel alive. Fuck it, I go till my battery dying. My energy gone and my friends in the sky. My family depend on me now. What you think, I'ma chill out, not be proud? Hard to be quiet when everyone loud. Remember my nana, she used to say, child, kill 'em with kindness, follow divineness. Listen to your heart, don't ever back down. Taught me how to rap, now I'm proud. Spirit awake in my mind, thinking how can I continue to build this momentum, to build up a life for little cousin to step in the bindings embedded in depths of the tears and the sweat that I left in my notebook. Like a misogynist asshole, I be telling myself go cook. Whenever I get distracted, not pragmatic, depressive, but damn I'm at it, never static. I stress it again and again and again and again, so I have to say it, hear it, yell it and get it. Don't reinvent it, I just add to it, so the past plays a role. Run fast, baby, that's all we know. Yeah, that's all we know. Hey ho, all I crave. They go, it was great. Today so, all the same. Tomorrow I hope that absolutely nothing changed. Hey ho, all I crave. They go, it was great. Today so, all the same. Tomorrow I hope that absolutely nothing changed. Still a slimy little tiny brittle kid who overcompensated massively. Why you being passive? But the past is half of what it used to be. Packaging everything I know, move it erratically. Bitch, I'm recording till 4. I fell asleep on the phone, no microphone. I been recording till 4. Hey, bitch, I'm recording till 4. I fell asleep on the phone.